Hi, this is Resto-Rob. Welcome to my channel. Today's episode, we're going to be working on some burner pliers. So, friend of the show, Rick, from Back Into Service, sent me these tools as part of a trade. And so I'm going to give him a shout out. Follow him on Instagram. And I'll leave links below in the description as well. So let's get started on this project. This is what the pliers look like before I started. They're taking a nice bath in Evap-O-Rust. Pliers are getting a quick rinse in water before I put them on the wire wheel. Now it's time for the wire wheel. Here is post wire wheel. Now it's time for a lot of sanding. I'm going from 100 grit all the way up to 1000 grit sandpaper in various stages using WD-40 as a lubricant. Now I'm going to run these over to the buffing wheel and polish them up. I'm using super glue on the handles of the Utica burner pliers. I'm going to protect the pliers with some Johnson paste wax. I am working the rust out of the jaws of the Utica pliers with WD-40. This is what the pliers look like before I started. This is what the pliers look like completed. Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed this current restoration of these 3 burner pliers. So, as always, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and please leave a comment below. And I have a few more interesting things ahead, so please check out my channel from time to time and watch my videos. So thanks for watching.